In this very quick video guide, we're going to see a specific tool that is called the background removal from Adobe Express. To find this tool, you can just type on Google background removal express. You can also write it in your own language if you want. And you need to access basically a website. So you don't need to download and install anything. This is completely online like the rest of Adobe Express. So again, I'm just typing in my language and you'll find it also probably in your language. It's always going to land in there, which is going to be the free image background remover. And you can see it's a simple screen with a simple website with this little box when you can drag and drop any image you want, or you can just click directly in there and you can access then your system, whether it's Windows or Mac. And then from there, you can navigate into the folder where you store the image. And from there, you can just select it. So really, really easy, fast, quick, simple, and free. So I'm going to select an image that I have here, which is a MetaHuman from a real engine shot. Is a screenshot of a real engine. So let's say I want to only keep the character. I want to get rid of everything else, like the rest of the background. Well, this is an excellent tool. I don't need to download or install anything. Just upload the image and that's it. Everything has been removed. Pretty smart with artificial intelligence. Easy and quick results. And on the right side, I can decide if I want to continue here, like to resize the image, crop the image, convert it to SVG, JPEG, PNG. So I can do all these operations, and this is all free to use. So if I want, I can also download it directly. If I click on the download button, you can see that it's going to go directly in the downloads folder. So from there, I can pick it and I can use it anywhere. So you can see the background has been removed. That's the PNG image that has been automatically created, and that's it. Now, the other option is continuing to work on Adobe Express. So this is Adobe Express right here. And let's just like click and drag this around. I can rotate it. I can scale it. I can change the opacity. I can apply adjustments, effects, and much, much more. But this is covered in another video guide and also other video guides that we published before. So you can check it in the channel. If you're looking for something specific, just search it in the channel. And you will find also video courses in Photoshop and other graphic design application. So please subscribe to stay updated and join the channel if you want to thank us and support us. This will be all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next.